Brace yourselves, space fans. Dark matter just got a whole lot wilder. Imagine two gigantic galaxy clusters barreling towards each other at breakneck speeds. Now picture the incredible chaos as they collide. That's exactly what astronomers have just witnessed, and the results are out of this world. In most galaxy collisions, dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up about 27% of the universe, usually sticks with its galaxy. But not this time. In this epic clash, some dark matter went rogue. Using state-of-the-art telescopes, scientists observed dark matter behaving in unexpected ways. Instead of staying put, it separated from its galaxies. This has huge implications for our understanding of the universe. Why is this important? Well, dark matter is invisible and doesn't emit light, making it incredibly tricky to study. Events like this collision give us rare glimpses into the behavior of dark matter, helping us unlock the secrets of our cosmos. Researchers are now diving deep into the data, hoping to unravel the mysteries behind this rogue behavior. Could this change our understanding of dark matter forever? Only time and more mind-blowing discoveries will tell. So keep your eyes on the stars and stay tuned for more cosmic wonders. The universe never ceases to amaze. Want to learn more about dark matter and galaxy collisions? Hit that like button and subscribe for more astronomical adventures. Until then, keep looking up.